Oh, nice. I didn't think I'd get them. Well, that's another one underway. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Thank you for tuning into my YouTube channel. My name is Amar, and on this channel we review a variety of sneakers, and those sneakers are mostly of my favourite pairs, and those mostly being of Nike branding. We are looking over a Yeezy slide. I know it's nothing to be looking at really, but do you know what? We can talk about the sizing. But before we go on, I'm just going to start off with a short introduction. So if you are new along here, please make sure to like, share, comment and subscribe. Please make sure to hit that notification bell and stay up to date with any of my videos. So we do have that normal standard Yeezy slide box, nothing out your ordinary. And on the other side you have your Adidas Yeezy branding, and on the opposite side you have your box label. And if I just go ahead and read off the box label, and the box label reads Yeezy slide FZ5897. The colourway is bone/bone/bone. Right guys, so it is a personal pair, so I have gone for my size. We'll get into that. So just pushing along ahead, it is your slide box. Here is your first look on this channel, the Adidas Yeezy slides in the bone colourway. Right, so guys, I don't think I will take too long on this video. It is a slide, there's nothing out of the ordinary. I have done 3 or 4 already on this channel. Please make sure to go check them out. We did talk about the sizing on these and just general release information and availability. I will be doing a similar thing with these in this video. So we'll just start off by looking at the actual slide itself. We'll talk about sizing, and then we'll go ahead and talk about availability. So if we're just looking at the actual slide itself, there is nothing out of the ordinary. It is your EVA foam, which is super comfy. As you can see, as I press down on that, they are super comfy, and when you're walking around, it's like you're walking on clouds. Honestly, I'm not just saying that to hype them up. Genuinely, these are super comfy. So if you do have problems with your feet, or if you don't have flat feet, or you have to wear something which requires a lot of padding, these are a must. I guarantee you, you'll be happy with the overall quality, fit and level of comfort with these slides. As I mentioned before, I won't be going into too much depth in regards to the actual slide, because it's just a slide at the end of the day. You know, you do have those normal hits on the inner of your slide, which shows your Adidas branding. I think that's about it really, to be honest, when it comes to the overall look of the slide. They do look very basic. I mean, they are very basic. There's nothing sort of special about them, but it's all down to quality and comfort. And this is where Kanye and Adidas smashed it. So I do believe that's about it really, about the overall slide itself. And I did say we will cover sizing in this video, so I have made 3 or 4 videos on the slides. Now they did vary, because I had some that were half the sizes. To be honest, some of the pairs that I picked up didn't actually fit me. This is actually the 5th slide that I've got. I did get the sizing right the first time before these, so I've had 2 pairs which did actually fit me, and the other 3 pairs I had to pass on due to sizing. Now there are 2 versions of this that were released. You have a bone 2022 version, and then you have your bone colorway in the 2003 colorway. Now I don't actually remember what the quality was like with the 22 batch and this 23 batch. I do believe the newer batches are slightly more squishy and not so hard to the touch. And also they did actually come in half the sizes, and they haven't done that with this 2023 drop. I had a bit of a wobble. This is my 5th pair. I've had to pass on the last 3 pairs. Before these was the Onyx colorway, and I went for a size 7 UK, which is a 7 US also, and they fitted me just perfect. And to be honest, I did go for a size 8 previously, and this is just a personal opinion. I just didn't like the look of them. They just looked too bulky, and they were just slightly big on the back of the heel for me. Now basically I had no choice. It was either getting a size 7 or having a size 8. But with the size 8, it was just slightly more roomy, but I just didn't like the actual look because they just looked too bulky. So it was either a size 7 or no slide. They do fit me perfect. I've got no space in the back of my heel, which to be honest doesn't really bother me. It is always recommended to go up a whole size, but on an overall matter, if they did have the half the sizes, I do believe I would have had a better experience, a better fit and better comfort if they did conclude with their half the sizes, which they don't any longer. I think that sums it up for your sizing. I have had 3 other colorways and I'm just super excited. I do have these ones in hand. It's something I wanted to see. I do really like it. It's a really nice neutral color. It will go really well for the summer in my opinion. And that's about it really. It's just a slide, man. Come on guys, it's just a slide. It's just a slide. And to be honest guys, I think that's about it really. I think that about wraps it up, to be honest. So I hope this video is enough for you to make a decision when it comes to your overall look on the actual slide, the overall sizing and the actual look. So do please stick around for the next video because I do have the Yeezy foam runners in the Arbon colorway, which is those. So I'm super buzzing I was able to get this pair. Did actually get the MX Carbon version, I'd say last month I think, but it was a time when I stopped making videos and I don't actually have that pair to hand because again, it was something that didn't fit me. So I passed them on. Right guys, so that's me just waffling on. I'm about to end this video. I appreciate your support. I appreciate if you've stuck around again. Please do stick around for the next upcoming video on the Adidas Yeezy foam runners. I have gone for the size 7, so hopefully these should fit me. I'll try to throw in a on foot video as well. But I'm about to end this video. I hope to catch you on the next